Hello everyone, in this video, I will show you how to fix high RAM usage on Windows 11 with simple steps. First, open Task Manager by right-clicking on the taskbar. Go to the Startup Apps tab. Here, you will see apps that start when your PC turns on. Right-click on apps you do not need and disable them. This reduces memory usage at startup. Next, disable the SysMain service. Click on the search bar and type Services, then open it. Find SysMain in the list. Right-click it, choose Properties, then click Stop. Set the startup type to Disabled and apply the changes. Now manage background apps. Open Settings, go to Apps, then Installed Apps. Click on apps you do not use often and limit their background activity. This prevents them from using RAM when you are not using them. Go back to Task Manager and check the Processes tab. Click on the memory column to sort by usage. If you see apps using too much RAM, right-click them and choose End Task. Be careful not to close system processes. Next, reduce visual effects. Search for Advanced System Settings and open it. Under Performance, click Settings. Choose Adjust for best performance and apply. This turns off animations that use extra memory. Now run a malware scan. Open Windows Security, go to Virus and Threat Protection, and run a full scan. Malware can use a lot of RAM without you knowing. Finally, update your system. Go to Settings, then Windows Update, and install any available updates. Updates often fix memory issues and bugs. After applying these steps, your RAM usage should improve, and your system should feel faster. Thanks for watching.